Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different and talking about the channel and some updates that I'm going to be making as we get into the new year 2023. First up, brand new blog. I talked about it in the community tab and I'm still kind of in the process of updating all the videos with new recipe links, but be sure to go ahead and check it out. It is going to be bakewithshep.com, BAKEWITHSHEP.com. I'll throw that link also down below in the description. This way you can bookmark it, check it out, grab some delicious recipes for the holidays coming up. And again, if you see a video that has the old blog recipe, definitely let me know in the comments and I will get on that real quick, switch it out as I'm going through each and every single video, making those updates. For our second update here on this channel, some of you may or may not know that I actually have a second YouTube channel where I play a lot of video games. Sorry, I'm also in the process of making a delicious pumpkin loaf. I will put the recipe down below in the description. Check it out, really quick, really easy, really delicious. Now I've been thinking about this a lot for the past year and I've decided what is going to be best not only for me, but for the channel, for both communities, is if I go ahead and bring all of that content over here to my primary channel for sort of a one-stop shop for both baking and video games. After all, playing video games is pretty much the second love of my life. I enjoy it. It's great for me to de-stress. It's great for my anxiety. I get to meet a lot of great people through video games, just as I do with baking. And as I'm getting to know everybody here on YouTube, it only makes sense for all of you to get to know me, and that includes both baking Dan and video game Dan. So during the next couple of weeks, maybe even the next couple of months, you are going to see a lot more video game content on this channel as I bring it all over. It's about 600 videos, so I'm going to try to really space it out, really balance it out. As for our baking content, that is still going to be on Tuesdays, weekly. I might try to squeeze in Thursdays also once this semester of school is over, because behavioral statistics is not a fun class. It's been very stressful. Now it's going to be a mix of video games, lots of Pokemon, lots of Kingdom Hearts, lots of new games. But yeah, I just figured, you know, it's time, I think. I tried doing it separately for a year. It was fun, but I also felt like maybe I was spending too much time over there, not enough time here in the kitchen sharing some new recipes I've been working on with all of you, just because, you know, during school, during work, planning a wedding, it's a lot easier to just plug a game in, record it, play, upload it, than it is to work on a recipe, test out the recipe, make changes, bake, decorate, all that fun stuff. So I figured bringing it over here, it allows me to just focus on one channel with everything I want to do. And last update for 2023, I'm going to be leading into a lot of more nerdy, geeky themed recipes. I've been finding all of these very geek themed cookbooks that I really want to try and experiment with and share them all with you, such as this quick, easy, adorable little Pokemon cookbook, which I cannot wait to try. This amazing hardcover Doctor Who cookbook, which it's Doctor Who, huge fan, can't wait for the new season. Lots of fun recipes in there. We also have the official Avatar: The Last Airbender cookbook. Super hard to find, but I actually found one at Box Lunch. Cannot wait to get in there and give that a try. And then also the Ultimate Final Fantasy cookbook. Again, video games. We got Final Fantasy, we got Pokemon. So if you have any suggestions for geeky, nerdy themed cookbooks that I should check out, let me know in the comments. So yeah, lots of new updates coming on this channel for the rest of the month of December going into 2023. So don't forget, pumpkin spice pound cake, new recipe blog will be down below in the description. New video game content will be starting tomorrow. It is going to be a wide variety of video games. It's going to be very heavy at first. Again, like 600 videos coming on over, trying to space those out, and nerdy, geeky themed cookbooks that we're finally going to dive into. I really want to do Doctor Who, but let me know which one you might want me to dive into first in the comments. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful holiday season. Next week, we got to do something for Christmas. I don't know what. I've got lots of ideas. But yeah, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.